everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today's video is going to be kind of a short video of me using HelloFresh right here to be able to make this recipe. So I signed up for HelloFresh finally. I've been wanting to sign up for HelloFresh, but I actually decided to give it a try this time, and I actually made my first meal yesterday. It came out pretty good. It was actually pretty quick too. It said 30 to 40 minutes, and that's exactly how much it took me to do it. So it's pretty quick, and it brings all the ingredients. It tells you step by step what you need to do in order to achieve the meal, and it's just so easy. Like, it saves you time at night. Like, if you're get out of work and you're gonna cook, you know, you just cook your meal real quick and it'll be done. So, and it's also considered healthy stuff. Like, here it tells you how much calories the whole meal has, 780 calories. So I'm just gonna get started with the video. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. If you guys want to use a coupon code, I use the Yvette80 coupon code to purchase this, and it gives you a discount for your first box. And you know, just go over to HelloFresh, sign up, use a coupon code Yvette80, and you will be able to get a discount from there. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, you know, don't forget to click the post bell notification. That's gonna allow you to know when I post a video next time. So let's get started with the video and see how this meal comes out. So here I'm just gonna start off making the rice. So it brings the bag of rice right here. So it's jasmine rice, half a cup. So I'm gonna make this rice the regular way that I make rice. It shows you how to do it here too, but I'm just gonna choose to do it my way. So I brought all the ingredients. I brought rice, two little pockets of sour cream here, this Italian pepper, tomato, lemon, onion. I also brought uncapped real flavor hot sauce here, and it brought Mexican cheese blend, a Southwest spice blend here, and it also brought HelloFresh chicken. That's something with flavored chicken. I don't know exactly what it is here, and it's a sweet Italian chicken sausage mix. He brought this too. So it literally brings every ingredient that you need, unless it's like butter or like salt and like pepper and stuff like that you normally have at home. So it literally brings all the ingredients for you, making it even easier. And you just have to follow the instructions. So I'm gonna make my rice the regular way that I always do it. So by the way, you're allowed to pick which meals you want to have weekly. HelloFresh will select the meals for you. You can see in the HelloFresh app, but you can always switch it up. Like, let's say that week you don't want that, then you can always pick a different meal, or you can add an extra meal for that week. Or what you can do is skip a meal for the week too if you don't really want to order a meal for that whole week. It just tells you to do it within time before your next order comes up. So you will understand all of this once you download the app and you actually sign up for it. It's pretty easy to handle. Meanwhile, the water's boiling. I'm gonna start cutting up the lemon. Cutting everything up here. In this small bowl, I'm gonna have to put the sour cream. Just throw it all in there. So now in a separate bowl, it's asking me to put in the tomato. Put it here in this cup. So now I'm just going to take the pan here, so you can see right here, and I'm going to cut up some sausages. It didn't bring sausages, so you have to use like sausages of your own. So here I put the sausage, the Italian peppers, the onions, and the Southwest spice blend all together. It just says in the instructions. So these are the final results of it. I ended up putting everything else that it said to put in. So it asked me to put in the rice afterwards with the chicken stock that it brought, also some butter and a little bit of water, and then after that I had to add in the sausage mixture, which it brought like a whole sausage mixture for it, and a Mexican cheese. And then after that, the last thing I put was the tomatoes and the sour cream, and this is what it looks like so far. I actually had a bite of it and it's really good. So I'm about to have this with some soft taco over here. So yeah, I actually like the results of it altogether, and it was quick and easy to do.